Hello, good morning, good evening, namaste. My name is Abhinav and I will talk about ETS, that is endoscopic thoracoscopic sympathectomy, a surgery which is conducted for many purposes like facial blushing, like excessive sweating on other parts of the body. Some face it on face, some face it on hands. I suffered from palmar hyperhidrosis. My hands used to sweat a lot. uh, it was hampering. I was not able to do my job. uh, I was 23 years old when I did the surgery, and I contacted a very reputed surgeon in India, in Max Hospital. The information available to me was at the time was quite trustworthy. I put my whole trust in it and read the information on internet and went for the surgery. Uh, I want to talk about it because 5 years down the line, I am suffering from severe uh, compensatory sweating. So when we talk about compensatory sweating, it is not just compensatory, just the compensation of uh, your cut out nerves from the palm and sweating somewhere else. It's whole different story. Why? Because when I went through this palmar, my whole hands, my face, they are devoid of sweat now. They do not sweat. It's horrific because the thrust of all the sweat is here, the trunk area. Now, when I came to know about it, it try to understand it. When the body releases heat, it distributes the heat all over the body. And suppose I cannot sweat above this, so the heat area is this. So since the surface area is reduced, the probability of sweating is more. When I did not need to sweat in the conditions, are the conditions now I'm sweating in. So earlier, when I was not sweating in some of the conditions, now I'm sweating in. I play piano, and that is one more thing which has affected me. For piano, I need silence. Used to sit in silence, switch off the fan, and everything. I was able to sit, but now I sweat a lot. I cannot sit because the sweat starts dripping here. It's horrible. So what I'm trying to say, when you go for ETS, it is not as simple as you think. Compensatory sweating, it will be more. It can be even more. I live in India, so you have to beware of the weather. July, August, September, they are horrible months. So that's what I wanted to say. Be aware. If you suffer from palmar hyperhidrosis, think twice, thrice before going for the surgery. Also, I did first surgery in 2013 over my right hand. 2 years I was fine. After 2 years, I went for the second hand, and then the things started to fall apart. I guess the body balance is maintained because I used to sweat half of the body when I did only one hand. So you have to maintain a balance. I think so. Thank you. I suffered. I do not want you to suffer. Thank you.